Torpedopot grows your food. You don't need to grow your food anymore. It can feed large amounts of people. These Torpedopots, once they're set up, if one planter could do 30 beets, and we have approximately about 100 planters growing our food, we produce more food than a local farm.
Oh man, I see a scientific breakthrough, you know, with such a huge beets and, you know, all these leaves and, you know, it's amazing. I cannot wait to cook it and eat it.
That's 3,000 beets I can pull out of my planters by using a household spigot to grow my food. Oh, dude, look at you, look at that.
Buried.
Give me, I'll hold the cup. Shake the dirt off in there. And this is from seeds, okay, guys? Look at it. Holy moly, look at that, man. Woo! Wow, look at that, Jeff.
Oh yeah.
Man, dude.
Pick two up.
Jeez, man.
Got me
Look
some
at that.
beets.
Yeah.
Oh
my
chop
gosh,
these bad
man.
boys up.
Dude, now you know I eat the leaves too on
Yeah,
these
you eat
things.
the leaves, right?
Yeah, all the time, man. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is what grows in your self-growing planter. And simply all you do is pull it out and enjoy life and eat it. Nobody's controlling you with your food supply. You have complete control over your food supply with Torpedopot. With Torpedopot, all you do is put your plants in and your seeds in, you shed it, and you forget it. Natural. You got it. There you go.
The stems, they're like perfect.
Come into the camera. Show these guys what's going on here. Tell them what you see.
I see Mother Nature at its best, at her best. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. The colors are so much better than what you would find in the supermarket.
Torpedopot grows your food. You don't need to grow your food anymore. It can feed large amounts of people. These Torpedopots, once they're set up, if one planter could do 30 beets, and we have approximately about 100 planters growing our food, we produce more food than a local farm.